Om Sri Veera Raghavaya Namaha. Pranam to Guruji Sri Raghavachari Garu. This is Dr. Raja. Welcome you all, the viewers of Astrovision, to listen Rahu Ketu, the karmic planets transit from Gemini sign. Rahu is entering from Gemini sign to Taurus sign on 23rd September 2020, and the Ketu Bhagavan is entering from Dhanur Rasi to Vrichchika Rasi on the same day, 23rd September 2020. These two are karmic planets. They decide what you should get, when you should get. That's why these transits are very important. These two, Rahu and Ketu, Chaya Grahas, they will be there in one sign for 18 months. That is their 18 months sojourn starts from September 23rd to exact April 12, 2022. They will be like this. And generally we see what are the normal results Rahu and Ketu can give for that. Because the sign where Rahu is entering is a Taurus. It is a materialistic sign. It is natural Kudumbasthana, natural Vakusthana, natural Earthy sign, agricultural products and all assets sign. Rahu, always when he is entering into anything, extravagance, spendthrift, more amount will keep on sending, and also possibility of accumulation of more wealth. To some rasis they get a good result. Some rasis you will have to be little cautious on this. The combination, when you look at it, Venus and Rahu, the base is Venus, where Rahu is entering. Similarly, Ketu Bhagavan, who restricts, who is entering into Mars, that is Vrichchika sign, Mars sign, and Ketu is entering. In Nadi, Ketu Bhagavan is entering into Ucha Rasi, natural Ashtama. It's moving from Guru, where so far it was staying in Guru Bhagavan's house. From there it is coming into Mars house. Generally all our elders say Kujavat Ketu Sanivat Rahu. So Kujavat Ketu, that means Ketu is entering into his own sign. These things, what type of results it's going to give, we will see. How they are going to give, how people are going to get out of it. Generally what we say, Rahu and Ketu, if they occupy Upachaya house, third house, 10th house, and these houses, when it is occupying, they starts in 11th house also. 3, 10, 11 houses. If they occupy 11th is a Labhasthan. Generally we get good this thing, because all these two sensitive points, Rahu and Ketu are sensitive points, they apart 180 degrees. If Rahu is in 0 degree, Ketu will be 180 degrees. So this they spread, intersecting junction will be 180 degrees, what it will be there. In this, generally Rahu gives a good result on 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house and 11th house. Similarly, Ketu also give 3, 6, 10, 11 houses. It will give. That is from your Rasi, if they get into 3rd house. That's why these people, those who can get better results, are Virgo, Kanya, Gemini, Kumbha Rashi, Aquarius and Capricorn. We have Ketu in 3rd house. When Ketu Bhagavan is in 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house and 11th house respectively, they generally give a good result. Similarly, Rahu also, whenever Rahu transition 3, 6, 10 allowances from the sign, they also will give a good result. Generally now we will see for each Rasi what type of result they are going to give. We will go through it. What all I am just telling you is a general prediction, but definitely every horoscope, individual horoscopes will say so many things depending upon the Lagna. So you want expert opinion, you please be in touch. I am available in Meena2 online YouTube and www.astrologytraining.com, and contact my number for further clarification. Thank you very much. Good luck. Best wishes. Tula Rasi. Libra sign. Chitta Nakshatra, 3 and 4 padas. Swati, 1, 2, 3, 4 padas. Vishaka Nakshatra, 1, 2, 3 padas. Total 9 padas are coming in Tula Rasi, Libra sign. In this, the impact of Rahu Ketu is little difficult for you people, because second house Ketu, 8th house Rahu, money, sudden loss of income, suddenly you don't know what to do, you will be standing in a crossroad. This period somehow you will have to cross with the guides, experts' advice, elders' blessings. You will be in a position, then only you will be in a position to cross it. Because business loss, partners may not cooperate, somebody has to sell your property and to pay the loans and all these things will be there. So education students, they will have to focus too much on studies. But overall, this you should pass on. This is a general prediction. Individual predictions you can get into us, where you can get individual predictions. Here, what I would like to say, be cautious in all your activities. Then things will happen good for you. Good luck. Best wishes.